Are your localized communication logic apps crashing due to the Pcomm Library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I'm going to diagnose that error and fix it now. For professional-grade Pcomm library maintenance, follow the diagnostic link in the description. This is the Pcomm Library, a specialized serial communication library, frequently associated with localized industrial automation or early localized specialized peripherals. It manages unmanaged RS-232 bitstream handling and port timing manifests. Let's get to work. We'll start with the most common fix for this specific error. The Pcomm Library DLL library is a specialized component of the localized communication logic system, and you must reinstall the program you are trying to open to restore the internal file structure if this file is missing. When the primary installation path fails, a more surgical approach to checking your system's environmental variables is required. A quick reboot can determine if the error is transient. While it won't fix a deleted file, it can re-establish the connection between your software and the Pcomm library file if the path was temporarily busy. Make sure to save your spot by bookmarking this video or hit the like button before you restart so you don't have to search for it again. Restart unsuccessful? No problem. Let's jump straight into step 3. Remember to pause the video if you need to double-check your inputs. Sometimes a simple restart isn't enough for broken runtimes. Follow these steps to refresh the redistributable files. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ Redistributable 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ Redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. Beyond the repair, maintaining a secure workstation requires avoiding a few common technical mistakes. Installing an unverified version of Pcomm Library DLL is one of the most common ways to accidentally bypass your system's built-in security firewall. A verified diagnostic utility can help manage the ongoing restoration and health of your system's library ecosystem. Review options for improving responsiveness and system safety by consulting the repair resource linked below for Pcomm Library. I hope this resolved the conflict preventing Pcomm Library from launching. For more deep dive technical tutorials and system configuration guides, subscribe to our channel today.